Hello traders, welcome to this video on the euro dollar and pound dollar. My name is Chris from Elite Currency, and before we take a look at the markets, wanted to let you know about Nenet's special CAMMACD offer, 42% off a trades. Great with this CAMMACD systems in this time of volatility, so check it out. You can also ECS Live for the entire 2020 plus the entire CAMMACD method. So definitely in these times where other assets are difficult to trade, Forex and also CFDs are a great thing for trading. So check out this offer. The link is in the description box below. All right, this is the euro dollar. We had 2 weeks bearish, so a lot of zigzags and volatility here with breaks and false breaks. So we had a break at the bottom, didn't go anywhere, break at the top, didn't go anywhere, break at the bottom. Let's see. So far, price is making almost like an expanding wedge like this. And so difficult pattern at this moment, and the euro dollar remains in a tough spot. So far, this is looking maybe like an ABC for wave 4, like this. This could be wave 1, 2. It is all part of a 3, with here a 3 of 3 probably, or some type of impulsive movement. In any case, this is looking more like a falling wedge for wave 5. This is wave 4, and this could be the 5 that is heading for the 88.6 fib at 106. So we still have a little bit to go, a little push still left at least. If it breaks that, then we're looking at double bottom in the previous level here at 103.40. So let's see what the next target could be. I think that personally the 88.6 fib likely to be a bouncing spot for some retracement, but it's difficult to know what the entire bigger picture is at this moment with the coronavirus impacting the global economy in such a way. It really depends on governments and central banks, and the responses of those will guide us with regard to the currencies as well. So it's going to be a tough period, very volatile probably. If you look at the bigger picture, this could be an ABC down, up, and then this could be a new trend, or from a technical point of view, this could be A, B, C, like that. Now price is already at the 88.6 fib. So I'm leaning towards this probably being a full-fledged downtrend at this moment already. But the 88.6 fib could provide some support. So if we look at that, we could see, for instance, 5 waves completed here, then an ABC up, maybe to the 50 fib if we turn around that fib. There we go. So maybe an ABC like this to the 23, down, and then 38 or 50, probably 38. I don't think that the rally would be maybe that deep. And then down again towards these targets, for instance. So let's see if we get such a strong, or it's not that strong, but a move up to the 38 of the entire swing, basically. Okay, and there could be a continuation of this downtrend channel that we see on the monthly chart. Let's put that in perspective. Let's put that. There we go. So that's the downtrend channel at this moment. So plenty of space for continuation of that channel. Okay, so 38.2 fib would be a nice retest of that outer trend or resistance trend line of that trend channel, and there could be that fall with dollar strength. Now, dollar strength could happen if the U.S. steps in strongly to support the economy, for instance, and rebounds faster than the eurozone. This could happen. We could see a bounce maybe at one of these targets, for instance, for a move up again. But a re-challenge of the entire bottom here 2 decades ago, I think, might be possible. Let's take a look at the lower time frames now. Hang on. Now, once again, I want to add that a lot of this depends on the reactions of governments, central banks. It's difficult to say at this moment what price will do because it's so based on that. You can see how price has changed gears so often. First in 2020 down, strong up, then a super strong down again. Just in these couple of months, all right? Now, at this moment, though, I would say that a flag and continuation down to 106 is likely, all right? And that could be a bouncing spot for upside because it is the 88.6 fib. So if we look at the 4-hour chart, this looks like a wave 3, so we could put the fib from here to here. And we're looking for price to bounce probably at the 23 or 38.2 fib, and respect those levels, those shallow fibs, if it is a wave 4. If it breaks above the 38, specifically the 50 fib, then it's probably not a wave 4, and we're probably seeing another impulsive swing like we had here, basically, And if it breaks through the 50 fib, might want to look for a small pullback, and there could be another rally because price is volatile at this moment. So we might keep these swings in place, and we could see another move up. But for the moment, I don't think that will happen. I think probably likely that it will respect these two fibs, max this one, and make that dash down to the 88 and minus 272 target. All right, that's 106 or 105. All right. Now, pound dollar moved even more to the downside. Massive bearishness here from 132 all the way down to 114, actually. Sorry. So it was at 120. I was saying this looks so bearish. I think it's going to break and go down to 117.50. I think that was in my ECS live webinar, if I remember correctly. I'm not sure if I said that in the video, actually. Maybe yes. But in any case, it broke, not even reached 150, 117.50, just passed through it and went right away down to 115. Amazing kind of strength and momentum there. Now, I think that at this moment it's likely to continue. There's a target zone 161.8 and 176.4 fib at around 112 and 107. This fib tool is available on our website, by the way, if you want to buy it. It's from Mislav Nikolic. It's a great tool. He developed that, and it's an automated fib target tool. So I really like that this indicator. And so yeah, the next target 112 is the 161.8 target there. 112.50 probably is a good level to keep an eye on because it's a quarter level. Let's take a look at the daily, and I think it could be the same thing as with the euro dollar. A bear flag and continuation. Likely we already saw some part of that bear flag maybe right here. Price was at 120 here. I said this is looking so strong. Look at that. And it might be overextended, don't get me wrong, because it has so many candles below the 21 EMA. But I think some correction like this and a continuation lower is probably the most likely path of least resistance here for the pound dollar as well. Let's put a fib from here to here. So as long as it stays below 50 fib, 122.50, let's say, this could easily be a retracement for more downside. If it breaks above that, then I would start to be worried about the bearishness. All right, so a lot of dollar strength at the moment. I will be back on Wednesday, and wish you all good trading in the meantime. Cheers, bye-bye.